So let's see if this is going to work on this Shag carpet. I really hope so, because this Shag carpet didn't work at all when that belt was getting old. So let's test that. Well, yes, it works. Or that brushroll spins in the Shag carpet now. But oh man, almost impossible to push this vacuum. This is so sane. I really like this, and all this would need is height adjustment. I mean, this is almost unusable like this. So let's see if I can came up with something, because just small amount of vacuuming and there already is dust and grit and what there is. This is, for the price, this is very good performer, this vacuum. But like this, it only works so that you can actually push it on the low pile carpets. So let's see if I can make something. I have previously made something to make vacuums work better, so let's see if I can make that to work. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.